Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you power of Chat GPT. So this is the one side of work for Chat GPT. So in this video I'm going to show you uh, all those work what GPT can do in terms of just writing the things. So I will create one more video for it for detailed things what it can do in other regions or in other area of the work. So please, I request you to watch the full video to know the complete, thing or how to use it. Okay, so as you can see here, I have 8 topics which I will ask ChatGPT to do it. Before moving forward, I would like to give you a warning related to ChatGPT that, as you know, it is an AI, or we can say it is a bot, which means it will understand whatever you will type, whatever you will ask, and it will remind all your asked questions and also their given answers. Okay, so I would like to request you never put your personal details in the chat GPT, or never ask or give any personal detail to chat GPT. If it will, or if any in any scenario, never do that, because it will store it and it might share that detail with other users who will ask something like that. Okay, so that's my one request from you guys. So never ever do that mistake. Okay, and like personal information will be like your email ID and password, your credit card number, maybe its pin code, maybe it's your debit card, your account number details, or anything. Like never put that, never put any password or anything. Okay, so yeah, now let's move forward. So here I have opened ChatGPT, currently logged into it. Okay, so it is very simple to log in or to use the ChatGPT. I will put this link in the description. You can simply open it and you have to log in either by using Google or any like a Microsoft account, or you can also use your email ID for login or register. Okay, and then you can see you will come to this screen, and this is a simple chat thing where you need to type your things, or your question or query what you want to do or ask from ChatGPT. So I'm going to do or write the first thing here. So you can see I will just copy it from here, write YouTube description. Okay, so this will be a common description for YouTube, so it can be used for any channel. But if I will specify here, write YouTube channel YouTube description, or channel description for my mm, like tech related channel. Okay, and I will hit this icon. Okay, it's looking like it's, let me refresh this screen. Okay, yeah, I need to verify. Yeah, so here I will type my question again. Okay, and I will put more detail like YouTube channel description, which is related to uh, tech. Okay, here I will hit enter, and you can see it will start typing. It's similar like a human. Okay, you can see here. So this is a simple description for a YouTube channel. So you can see, welcome to our tech focused YouTube channel, which brings you the latest news, review, insight, and if you don't like it, you can simply click here regenerate response, and it will write another one for you. Okay, and you can see this is the second description. Okay, so you can click here. This is the first one, this is the second one. Okay, if you don't like it, then again you can ask ChatGPT to generate again or regenerate the response. So this is the first question, which you can see ChatGPT have written it very well. Okay, and now let's see about the second question, which is write a letter to your friend. Okay, So I will ask ChatGPT to write a letter to my friend, and which is related to which thing related to meeting in coming summer vacation. And you can see it has started typing in the same way as human do. Okay, so you can see it's writing in the same way. So let's start writing, and you can see it is also, I mean, writing it the like you can see in the more detailed or described way, so that you can also edit something. So you can see at the destination you can write your destination, or whatever you want to explore, you can put it here. Okay, you can see insert some detail about the destination, you can put here the details about the destination if you want, or you can put here that destination detail as well. Okay, so it will also write detail about that destination. Okay, so this is the second thing. You can see it has written it very well and very I mean best, I mean detailed way and better way. Okay, so now let's move to the third question or third thing, which is write application to your principal. So these things will be very useful for them, for a student which who are in the school right now and want to use this feature of Chat GPT. Okay, so write application to your principal, uh, and application will be related to related to 7-day leave for brother's marriage. Okay, so you can see as ChatGPT had started writing it. So dear principal name, I hope this email finds you in good health and spirits. I'm writing to request a 7-day leave of absence and from school, as my brother is getting married next week and I would like to attend the wedding. The wedding is scheduled to take place the date and would need to leave on date order to make necessary arrangements and preparations. I understand this is a busy time of the year, but I believe this is a once in a time opportunity to be a part of brother's special day and I do not want to miss it. I am willing to make up the miss. So you can see it has written it very clear and specific and detailed and described way. Okay, so I really like its writing skill. It's really superb thing. Okay, so now let's see the next thing. Write a song for me. This is for them who are like lyricist or want to become a singer. Okay, so here's song for me. Here I can also love of nature. Okay, so you can see it will start writing the song. So walking through the here, so you can see it has started writing in English, but if you don't want it to be in English, you can also use any other language. For example, in North India we generally use Hindi here, or in India, so or at most of the places we use Hindi, so we can type it in Hindi. So let it write first. Okay, so you can see it has written a new poem immediately. You can see this one, and I think and this will be completely unique. You can also check for plagiarism. Okay, I hope so. Yeah, we can do that as well. We can check for plagiarism as well. So it will be completely unique. Okay, and let's also ask to write a song in Hindi. Okay, related to love. Okay, and you can see yeah, this one it has started writing it in Hindi. So this is a Hindi song what is being written by ChatGPT. So you can check it as well whether it's unique or not. I hope you would have listened or not listened, I don't know, but yeah, you can confirm it. So it has, you can see it is writing the whole song in a in a similar way as we write, as human do it. Okay, so yeah, it has also written the song. And next thing what I would like to ask, um, to write a story for an action film. Okay, which should have actions in hills. Okay, and hills and flyovers. Okay, towers and aeroplane. Okay, let's see. So it has started writing a simple story. Okay, you can see the film opens with a sort of bustling city as in camera pans across the skyscraper and busy streets. Cut to a young, handsome man named Jack, who is a skilled parkour artist and extreme sport enthusiast. He lives for the thrill of the chase and has a reputation for taking the dangerous. Uh, so you can see it is started right as Jack begins his ascent and uphill. He encountered a team of heavily armed guards who return to stop him. So you can read it, or you can also ask the same thing to do. Okay, so it will be really fun, and it will be really helpful for them who are going to write or make a short movies. Okay, as well as long movies. So it will be really helpful for them to write a story. Okay, in the same way, if you are a office worker, then you can also or your team lead, so you can also ask ChatGPT to write an email message for you. So you can see write an email message for urgent meeting for all marketing team members. So you can see this will be the subject: urgent marketing team meeting. Dear team marketing team, I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to inform you that there will be an urgent meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. in the conference room, and the purpose is to discuss pressing matter and that has come up there and requires immediate attention. We will be discussing your strategy for upcoming marketing campaign, making important decisions that will impact our department. So you can see it has written a very well message, like email message. Okay, and the next thing what I will ask ChatGPT to do, to write a beautiful tweet. Let's see. So write a beautiful tweet for Twitter to congratulate Shahrukh Khan for success of his Pathan film. Okay, and you can see it will start. Yeah, congratulations at I am Sir. You can see it also know the Twitter handle of Shahrukh Khan. Okay, on the success of Pathan. Has Pathan, it has also used the hashtag for Twitter. So you can see it is how much it is intelligent to know the current scenario, what is the currently ongoing in the world, how Twitter works, how we can type the message on Twitter. Okay, you can see your incident, sorry, your incredible talent and dedication continue to shine on the big screen. Keep inspiring us with your remarkable performances. Has King Khan, has Bollywood, has Blockbuster. You can see how much this is like. You can see meaningful and very well written this tweet. So yeah, I will definitely try to tweet the same message on Twitter as well by using my Twitter handle. Okay. So the next thing what I will ask ChatGPT to do. Okay. Mm, which is write a blog. So for example, if you are having a website and you are stuck and to make decision like what kind of message or how we can write it. So you can simply ask ChatGPT to do the same thing. So you can say write a blog for my learning website which is almost free to use its technical test features. Okay, so now I have asked ChatGPT to write the same thing. You can see this will be the title: enhance your technical skill with our pre-test features. Okay, in today's fast pace of world, staying ahead in the field of technology is more important than ever. So with the constant evolution of technology, it's crucial to continuously improve and develop your skills to stay competitive. This is where our learning website comes in, offering free technical thing. And so you can see ChatGPT is writing a blog for me, you can see, and this is really helpful for those who are really trying to write a blog with a unique message, or it should be plagiarism free. So let me check again whether it comes in plagiarism or not. Okay, so yeah, I will search it online plagiarism checker. uh, which one I should use? Let me choose this one. Okay, and here you can see, here I can go to use the plagiarism checker. I don't see copy and paste here. Okay, yeah, here I can copy and paste. So let me copy this to check whether it's unique or not. So I'm just taking this 2 paragraph to check whether it is unique or not. Okay, if this will be unique, so definitely all the messages are going to be unique. Okay, so here I need to click. Okay, is it GoPro? I don't know. Oh, it is going to ask money. Not. Let's choose a different one. Let's see how is this working. Get Grammarly, it's free. I don't know what are they doing, man. I just want to check for plagiarism, but I can see. Let's see whether it is working or not. Okay, it's the same thing. Yeah, this one should work. Yep, here you can see I will type put my message here, and I will ask to check plagiarism. I will verify that I am not a robot, and you can see it is 100% unique content. Okay, also I can check the remaining as well here. Okay. Okay, so I will put it after this. Okay, and I will check for plagiarism. So it has written 300 words this, and you can say this is also 100% unique content. Okay, so this is the best thing what I will suggest you to go ahead and use ChatGPT for almost all your writing documents and everything, writing tweet, writing message, wishing like congratulations or congratulating to a friend or anyone. Okay, so I hope you got the idea how you can use ChatGPT to do or most of your work. Okay, so I will again create one more video related to ChatGPT, and that will include how you can how you can write programs with the help of ChatGPT. So actually you need not to write even a single line of code in that. So you just need to copy and paste the things and your website will get ready using that. Okay, so in this video that's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.